Hey guys, I just picked up this Raptor 700 last night from Iowa, and these fenders have seen better days. It's a pretty good sized crack in that, as you can see. I noticed it did bend this bar here down that connects to the wheelie bar also, so I'll have to straighten that out. I mean, most people would probably just buy new fenders, but I'm going to try to straighten them, see if I can get them to look halfway decent. I'll get the color back into them with a heat gun there, or a torch. Overall, the four-wheeler's in great shape though. It still has all the original tires on it. It's a 2006. I did notice when I originally picked this Raptor up, the guy was asking $3,200 for it, and with the fender the way it was, creased and whatnot and broken, I told him $2,500, and I got him down to that. So that's what I picked this thing up for. Hopefully I can get about $4,000 out of it if I get it looking good with the graphics kit and everything fixed and kind of touched up on it. But we'll see, fingers crossed, how it looks when it's done. Cleaning these fenders up, I like to use some brake cleaner. Just kind of gets everything off the residue before I start heating the fenders, so I don't want to put anything into the fenders when I heat them up. I want to make sure they're perfectly clean, so I don't melt any junk into them. Doing it. So now I'm going to start heating the fenders with a little MAP gas torch. That's going to take all these creases out. It's going to return the color back to original color, but you do have to be careful not to burn the plastics. You want to heat them just enough to make them pliable again, but you can burn them. Before I start this, I'm going to unbolt that support that goes underneath right up to here, so that way I can play with the fenders more and try to get them in the right location. There we go. That frees it up quite a bit. I can move him around. So here's what we have so far, coming along pretty decent. I still got to get this gap tightened up. It's a lot better than it was, but I got this crease out of there for the most part, it looks like. Well, here's what it's looking like. Unfortunately, I'm out of blue zip ties for now, but I still got to zip tie this whole seam along here. Down to my last one. I might just use black ones for now until I get these. I ordered some more off Amazon. They're like $8 for 100 of them, so they match pretty good. But yeah, I got to heat gun the rest of all these creases and everything out and make these fenders look good. Well, I'd say it's coming along pretty good. And it's all one piece now. Got the blue ones in there, got the black ones, which I gotta replace once I get the other blue ones in, but it's coming along pretty good. So it doesn't look like that many zip ties from up here, but if you look at the bottom side, it looks like a lot more. Pull those off. Now you can see how far bent that is. And it's supposed to be about up there, so I will have to straighten that also and repaint it.